In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify updated for 2025. Whether you're an e-commerce veteran or just starting your online business, the integration of Klaviyo with Shopify can significantly enhance your marketing strategy. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to create a Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website by entering www.klaviyo.com in your browser. Once there, you'll want to follow the straightforward process of creating an account. Start by entering your email address and clicking on Create Account. You will then be prompted to provide additional details such as your name, your company's name, and your website URL. These details are essential as they help tailor your Klaviyo experience to your business needs. Now that you've set up your Klaviyo account, the next crucial step is to integrate it with your Shopify store. Begin by selecting your account name, which you can find in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to Integrations and then click on Add Integrations. This section lets you connect Klaviyo to various platforms including Shopify. In the search bar of the Integrations page, type Shopify. Once you see the Shopify card appear, go ahead and click on it and then click Install. This will initiate the installation process. You will then be required to enter your Shopify store URL. For example, if your store URL is mystore.myshopify.com, paste that into the required field. Clicking Connect to Shopify will begin the connection process. The next step will take you to your Shopify account. If you aren't already logged in, you may be prompted to do so. Upon logging in, you'll be presented with a page to review the permissions Klaviyo is requesting. It's crucial to go through these permissions carefully to ensure they align with what you're comfortable sharing. Once reviewed, click Install App to proceed. Finally, you'll want to confirm this integration back in Klaviyo. Head back to the Klaviyo interface and you should see an Integrate button. Clicking this button will confirm the connection and take you to the integration settings page, indicating that your Shopify store is now linked with Klaviyo. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Shopify. This integration enables you to leverage Klaviyo's powerful email marketing capabilities, customize and automate your communication with customers, and generate insightful analytics that can transform your marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me to learn about this essential process, and I hope it enhances your e-commerce strategy moving forward.